Get ready with me for an early morning flight. Good morning, everyone. If you don't know me, hi. My name is Pratiksha. I'm 22 years old, living in Dubai. Good morning, guys. It's an early start today, and I'm getting ready for my flight. So come spend this morning with me as I get flight ready. सबसे पहले मॉर्निंग रूटीन का सबसे पहला स्टेप ब्रशिंग माई टीथ. सबसे पहले आई एम गोना वॉश माई फेस बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली सुबह सुबह स्किन को भी थोड़ा वेकअप कॉल चाहिए. फेस वॉश के बाद आई एम जस्ट जेंटली पैटिंग माई फेस ड्राई विद अ टॉवेल. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद सम स्किन केयर. सबसे पहले आई एम यूजिंग रोज वाटर एज माई टोनर and I'm just letting it absorb into my skin. Then comes my vitamin C serum followed by my Cetaphil moisturizer followed by my favorite lip balm from Laneige because lipstick से पहले lips को moisturize करना is must. And finally sunscreen. Skincare is done and I'm going to give my skin a few minutes to settle before starting my makeup. तब तक let's do the hair. For my flight I always like to keep my hair very neat and secure, so I'm starting with a clean side partition and making a nice sleek ponytail, then twisting the ponytail and turning it into a bun, followed by hairnet and the signature Emirates scrunchie, and the bun is ready. Now moving on to the makeup. सबसे पहले primer so that my makeup sits nicely and lasts longer. Dark circles और थोड़ी pigmentation के लिए I'm using the orange corrector from Inside Color Corrector palette and I'm lightly setting it with some loose powder just so the color corrector doesn't mix with my concealer. Now it's time for concealer. I'm using my Huda Beauty concealer mainly around the inner and outer corners of my eyes where I want that slightly lifted and highlighted look. जहाँ pigmentation है वहाँ भी थोड़ा concealer apply करके I'm blending everything nicely. And now foundation. I'm using my Huda Beauty foundation. It's a high coverage so I don't need a lot of product, just a little bit and my entire face is covered. Now let's add some color back to the face, and because I'm going to finish this look with the red lipstick, I like keeping my blush a little more noticeable. It just gives the face a little more warmth and brings everything together. Now that my foundation and blush are done, it's time to set the entire base properly. इसके लिए मैं यूज कर रही हूँ लूज पाउडर. मैं लूज पाउडर को डायरेक्टली फेस पर बहुत ज्यादा अप्लाई नहीं करती. पहले थोड़ा सा पाउडर अपने हैंड के बैक पर लेती हूँ बिकॉज दैट गिव्स मी मच मोर बेटर कंट्रोल ओवर द प्रोडक्ट. और लूज पाउडर के केस में लेस इज ऑलवेज मोर. मैं स्पेशली उन एरियाज पर फोकस करती हूँ जहाँ मेकअप थोड़ी जल्दी मूव या क्रीज हो सकता है. अब जॉ लाइन के पास मैं थोड़ा सा बेकिंग कर रही हूँ विद द हेल्प ऑफ पाउडर पफ. बहुत ज्यादा पाउडर नहीं, जस्ट लिटिल बिट सो दैट जॉ लाइन थोड़ी क्लीन और डिफाइंड लगे. नाउ अंडर आई. यहाँ मैं स्पेशली केयरफुल रहती हूँ बिकॉज अगर हम बहुत ज्यादा पाउडर यूज करेंगे तो अंडर आई ड्राई या केकी दिख सकती है. सो मैं ब्रश पर सिर्फ थोड़ा सा पाउडर लेती हूँ, एक्स्ट्रा टैप ऑफ कर देती हूँ एंड देन जेंटली ब्रश की हेल्प से डैप करके अंडर आई सेट कर देती हूँ. Now moving on to the eyebrows. I'm brushing both of my brows and getting them into shape. Now I'm using my Swiss Beauty's eyebrow filler with an angled brush to fill and define them. I like using a combination of powder and gel for my brows. And finally, brows are done. Perfect twins तो नहीं, but sisters हैं. For the eyes, I'm keeping it simple with the soft eyeshadow. Now finishing the eye makeup with mascara. I'm using my Maybelline Sky High mascara and finally setting spray to lock everything in. And just like that, makeup is done. Now comes the main character of this entire look is the lipstick. मुझसे बहुत बार पूछा जाता है कि Emirates यूनिफॉर्म के साथ मैं कौन सी लिपस्टिक यूज करती हूँ. So here is what I actually do. I mix two lipstick shades. First, I'm using the darker shade to outline my lips and define the shape. Then I'm taking the lighter shade and applying it towards the inner part of my lips, and then I just blend both shades together, and this is how I get that beautiful deep red lip. If you want to know the exact lipstick shades and the combination I use, comment lipstick below. I'll share all the details with you in the comments. Hair done, makeup done, lipstick done. Now it's finally time to put on the uniform. So this is my complete flight ready look. Neat bun, fresh makeup, signature red lipstick, and of course the Emirates uniform. No matter how many times I get ready for a flight, I still love the final moment when everything comes together. Now all that's left is grab my things and head to the airport. Finally, I'm completely flight ready. From literally starting my morning with a sleepy face to this final look, I think we have come a long way. And honestly, getting ready for early morning flight is always a little hectic, but once the hair is done, makeup is on and the red lipstick is on, the uniform is ready, you just automatically switch into work mode. I hope you guys enjoyed spending this morning with me and getting a little glimpse into how I get ready before my flight. And if you stayed till the end, Thank you so much. It genuinely means a lot to me. Also, I want to know what you guys want to see in my next video. So comment below and let me know. I'm actually going to pick the most requested one. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care, stay happy and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye. See you on board.